Have you ever wondered why some teams click instantly while others struggle to collaborate? The answer might lie in understanding personality types and how they interact in the workplace. Many organizations face challenges with team dynamics, communication breakdowns, and conflicts that stem from a lack of understanding about individual differences. Without proper insight into personality types, companies often struggle to optimize their team compositions, leading to reduced productivity and employee dissatisfaction. At the personal level, employees may feel misunderstood or out of place in their roles. They might struggle to communicate effectively with colleagues or managers whose working styles differ from their own. This can result in frustration, decreased job satisfaction, and even burnout. This certification course offers a powerful solution to these challenges by providing in-depth training on one of the world's most widely used personality assessment tools. It equips participants with the knowledge and skills to administer, interpret, and apply personality type insights in various organizational contexts. By undertaking this training, participants gain a deep understanding of the 16 personality types, their preferences, and how they manifest in work behaviors. They learn to use this tool ethically and effectively for team building, conflict resolution, leadership development, and career counseling. The benefits extend far beyond individual knowledge. Certified practitioners can help their organizations create more harmonious work environments, improve team collaboration, and enhance employee engagement. They can assist in making more informed decisions about job fit, succession planning, and organizational development initiatives. After implementing the insights from this course, organizations often see remarkable improvements. Communication becomes more effective, conflicts decrease, and teams work together more seamlessly. Employee satisfaction and retention rates typically increase as individuals feel more understood and appreciated for their unique contributions. On a personal and team level, the impact is equally profound. Certified practitioners often report increased self-awareness and empathy towards others. They become more effective communicators and leaders, able to adapt their approach to different personality types. Teams led by these certified professionals tend to have higher morale, better problem-solving skills, and increased innovation. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your organization's approach to human dynamics. Enroll in this certification course today and unlock the power of personality insights to drive individual growth, team success, and organizational excellence. Your journey to becoming a more insightful, effective professional starts here.